My green card is tied to my skills. Now they want money instead? That's the shock sweeping across Indian expat forums as the Trump administration pushes a massive immigration shakeup. The H-1B visa lottery is being scrapped, replaced with a wage and merit-based system. At the same time, a new gold card is being rolled out, granting U.S. residency to wealthy investors who can pour in at least $5 million, effectively replacing the EB-5 program. For Indian professionals and students, this is a direct hit. If you're earning below the average wage as a green card applicant, you may now be deprioritized. It's no longer about family sponsorship or diversity. It's about capital and high-income talent. On Reddit, Indians are already reacting. My savings got me to school. Now only the rich get through? Is this just for billionaires? For many, this feels less like reform and more like a blockade. Elon Musk even confirmed that the gold card model is already being tested, though no official launch date has been given. The reality is clear: merit is being sold. High earners and investors are being prioritized, while everyday contributors, students, tech workers, families are being pushed aside. So what can you do right now? Stay alert by tracking every H-1B and gold card update from credible immigration sources. Increase your market value with specialized skills, advanced degrees, or niche roles that USCIS can't ignore. And keep backup plans ready: Canada, Australia, Europe, or even remote opportunities. Merit is no longer enough, it's being filtered by money. What's your next step? Drop your visa type F1, H1B, or spouse in the comments and share how you're preparing.